a weekly time frame, we made this nice double top, and you can see market broke above. So all I just need is this nice weak pullback to happen at this zone, so I can clearly buy. And daily time frame, you can see this on this is a Monday. This is a Monday candle, and you can see it didn't just retest to the zone that we want. So I'm expecting this market to retrace back to this zone here, so I can take my buy. Yeah, so this should be a weak pullback. Probably might happen tomorrow or the other day, but this is what I'm waiting for, a nice retest at this zone. Then I might add on to these buys here. Then I have this is a counter trade I'm about to sell. So you can clearly see that I have a nice head and shoulder. We have the left head and right and head shoulder right there. So this is the neckline at this point here. So all this zone is the neckline. So what I'm expecting today is I need this daily candle to close with this nice morning star right here. Yeah, this is what I expect this daily candle to close with this pattern, because if it can close with this pattern, then I'll know that the market is going to go in our way. Yeah, so that is the morning star I'm looking for. Then we might wait for the next daily candle, which is tomorrow, Tuesday, to have that nice push to the downside here. Yeah, so I'm just taking the counter trade, the counter sales, so I can sell up to this zone, because here I'll be looking for buys, because on the weekly time frame, you can see that market has to buy at this level here, because it has the most touches here. We have all these nice touches at this level here. So this is where I expect the market to sell at, yeah, to buy at this level here. So as of now, I'm waiting for this nice daily closure to close with a nice morning star, then I might sell. Yeah, and I like the way the 4 hour time frame is also looking right now. Yeah, you can see it already took out this nice previous structure. So if I can have at least the next 4 hour candle to have this to have a nice engulf, something like this, yeah, if it can give me something like that, then I might have even the confidence to sell this more at this level here, because then I'll know that we have completely started targeting this zone here. So the only thing I'm looking for is this engulfing candle on the 4 time frame to engulf this pair, this previous candle, oh, the daily candle, to just simply close with this nice morning star formation here. But this is definitely a nice sale. All we just have to do is be a bit more patient, and I'll catch this sale if possible. And you can clearly see I've never actually got any trade from this pair. I always take the losses. But yeah, and I have USD JPY. USD JPY, I've been looking at this pair since last week. I was trying to sell it at this level here based of this nice break, this nice structure. This The market was very much bearish, and it gave me this nice head and shoulder right there. We had this nice M pattern there, so all I needed was that shift, and this thing was at this level back then, because this is when I knew that the daily might turn bearish from bullish at this level here. So that's also what I'm waiting for up to now. I just need this shift, then I'll be looking for sales, because this market is very much bearish on the daily and the weekly time frame. Yeah, so and the only possible position I would look for my sales is at a weekly level or a daily level. Yeah, so right now is where the market is. You can also, if you're that much confident, you can enter this trade right now, because we have this nice kind of formation here where you can catch your sales. Yeah, but for me, I'll just be interested once I see it break below this level here. Yeah, and I have USD CHF. You can clearly see on the daily time frame what's going on. we had this nice head and shoulder right part, head and shoulder here. We had the break, we had the break, we had the retest, and we had the push. And now we still have this nice M pattern right there to continue with the sales. All we need is this retest to this zone here, so we can now sell even more. um Same with cat CHF. These pairs are probably going the same direction. Yeah, all these CHF pairs. I'm also waiting for this retest at this zone here. You can see how it broke below this resistance. Now it's on its way to touch this level. Yeah, then I might sell. If it doesn't, then won't do anything. Same with NZD. Yeah, you can see this nice M pattern right there. We have this nice break, and right now the price is even on its way to retest this zone. So I'm also waiting for this push there so I can sell. Then lastly, AUD USD, we got these nice buys last week. Yeah, we got these nice buys last week, and you can see market even retested to the same zone to give us another extra buying opportunity. Then it went all the way up. Actually, I was supposed the same thing that happened on AUD last week. It gave me the position on a Sunday. You see, this is the only thing that I had to see, because this is already a setup for me. You can see we have this nice break on the 4 hour, we have this nice retest, we have this nice engulfing candle right there, and my target is at least a 1 to 2, which is at this zone here. But in this case, I might just have to probably put it all the way here, because this is where the engulfing candle stops. Yeah, and sell this thing, because let me try to just flip this on the 30 minutes time frame, then you see it clear. So you can see the 30 minutes time frame that market was very much bullish. Yeah, it was very much bullish. And even though we don't have a clear way of entry at this point, you can see we have some sort of left, right, and we have some the head right there. So the stop loss probably has to be here. Then let me take you back to the forward time frame so you can see what I'm trying to talk about. So you can see this is where I even have to place my stop loss at this one here, and target a nice 1 to 2, which is at this level right there. But this happened on a Sunday, so I really can't do anything. The only way I can try to buy this is if it traces back at this zone and give me the same entry, then I might look for my buys again. That's why I've even put it down here, because I'm not that much interested in it, because the move I was looking for happened so early. But I believe we might have the same thing that happened. It happened and it retested to the same zone, gave us another entry position, then went all the way up. Yeah, so this is what we're looking for. All these pairs, I'm waiting for that retest on the 4, the retest on the 4 here, the retest on the 4 right there, and the retest on the break at this zone here, and the 4 engulfing candle there on the, yeah. And if possibly, what I would like here to happen is, if this can, let me just do this. If it can do something like this for us, then if it can, since we have this left head, I can like to see something like uh, another potential right shoulder, then sell. That might even give me more confirmation. But yeah, and I have AUDJPY, one I'm waiting for. This is why I even have the confidence of waiting, hoping this might be test, because this is a AUD pair and this is also a AUD pair. Even though it gave this move early, I believe it can have the same retest here, and here it can also give me the same retest I was looking for. Yeah, so that's it for this week, and we'll see. I'll probably update you guys on Wednesday, because now I'm back. I was only having I was struggling with my mic, so that's why I didn't post often for the past month. Yeah, but now I'm back to you guys. Yeah, so let's see what this market will do for us this week. Yeah.